Guys, I am kind of upset. Not kind of, but it's nothing bad. It's just that I paid I paid $15 for the Bath and Body Works shower gel, and look at it. And I don't use it much. I just take a shower every other day, so I don't know how I got to this point. But I realized that my mother-in-law took a shower today, and it smelled very strong. So I got to smell that. So now I know that I will not leave my shower gel in there because it's expensive. And then with a little bit, it's enough. Trust me, 2-3 drops, it's a lot. But other than that, I'm feeling better. I'm not tired like I was. Also, I was going to take Stephanie to the hospital last night because she was wheezing very bad. So then she felt better, and then I started wheezing because I have asthma. I have very bad asthma, and then my chest started snoring. It was like that. Hers was like that too. But after I put the nebulizer, she felt much better. So then I fell asleep and I couldn't breathe, and I was wheezing and I was coughing and I was a sick one. So the only good thing is I have my inhaler, and my inhaler works way faster than the nebulizer. So as you can see, I'm still trying to catch my air, but it's just like this Texas weather. It goes from cold to hot, cold to hot. So right now I'm gonna do is just wash my face with this. It's every morning. It literally says morning burst. So, not bad. And then I use this facial scrub every night. And then I use this moisturizer, Dual Treatment Moisturizer. It's like the Plain and Clear one. And I use it every time I use these too. Yep. I did Stephanie's hair because she's a girl and she's supposed to be. Epic stuff. She's ready. What? So Stephanie's eating orange. And I'm gonna eat some frozen mangoes again. And she's in her room, I guess, hopefully.
Michael Jackson's Thriller. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this place with you. Just can't crack the code. One day you're screaming your love now. Whenever you need it, and you take the blade right out my heart, just so you can watch me bleed it out.
It's 31 hours. Okay. Pump some gas. I don't know if you can see him, but it is 12:51, and we just came back from the bank from depositing money. And let me see if I can keep this in for a moment. Okay, so we just came back from the bank from depositing money, and why did I just grab this credit card? Anyways, and yeah, so we just came back from the bank, and my phone just fell firing. I'm depositing money, and we're gonna go on Google. Well, we're gonna go on mtake30.com to see if there's any good movies. If there's any good movies, we're gonna go ahead and go to the movies today. Probably tonight, but it's cold outside. It rained. Mamá, mira la machine. mamá? Beba.
She don't care about that.
Because it doesn't.
I learned that in middle school, how to do that.
Stephanie, no. That's so cool.
Mira.
That's so. Oh, my phone almost fell. Okay, so I had to stop at McDonald's. This one's kind of burnt. You see that? So I had to stop at McDonald's because Stephanie wanted some French fries. So now that she has her French fries, I am eating some of them. You see, I vlog with my phone, my Metro phone. I will soon have a Galaxy, guys. I will have a Galaxy S4 soon. So we're back home. Stephanie. Apple. And I am. Okay, I'm a boy. So now I'm gonna go to the living room and play my tablet and watch movies. Okay, so Dallas right now is at 30. So I live in Dallas. So we are 30 degrees. Chicago is very cold. But oh, Phoenix is move out the heckin' way. Anyways. No. Oh my goodness. Tony, can you please stop? Something. I want to see your face. Oh well, I'm gonna do that laundry real quick. Pick up the room a little bit, and since the girls being so spoiled, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this room a little bit. Not a little bit, but a lot. I'm gonna clean right now. Since my boyfriend is watching a movie in the living room, and I'm gonna do laundry. Yeah. Just fold it and wait for it to put in the dryer and put it in this place. And yep, that's a minute to go. Stephanie, you cannot work out no more. Ponlo para atrás. I can't do this. I'm gonna let her bed. Stephanie was coughing again, wheezing, and her chest was snoring. So I want to go ahead and put some Vicks on her chest again. Vicks on her feet. Now this time, this is the last time. She don't get better, we're going to the hospital tonight or today. So I'm going to talk to my boyfriend about it. See if we either go to the pharmacy or to the hospital. Okay, so Stephanie feels much better. She's falling asleep now without coughing. I gotta do that laundry. And I'm watching the Super Bowl. And I'm doing laundry as well. So, it is 9 o'clock. And my iPad is in the restroom because I'm going to take a shower and I need my Pandora. So, actually, I have my... I don't want to show you up on me. Okay, so I have this and my underneath clothes is there. My shirt, my socks, my lotion, Q-tip, everything we use. And I am going to head on and grab my towel. And I'm going to go ahead and take a shower. I really need a shower, so I'm going to go ahead and take a shower. And yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I am gonna get my face skincare treatment, which is my, I don't know if you can see, but it's my face scrub, apricot scrub, and I'll put it over the sink, and my moisturizer. So when I come out, it's ready. I have that towel here, so yeah, I'll get a quick shower. All done. I am finished. Now I am off to do my facial scrub and my moisturizer. Rubber ducky. So I am at the shower, and this is what I just did to my hair. I just put a headband on, and I braided my hair. Just one pigtail, until braid, basically. And Stephanie just woke up, and it's 9:15 currently, so I don't know what the heck or what time she doesn't fall asleep. But she's awake, and I'm gonna undress her and put her PJs on because she has jeans and outgoing clothes. So I'm gonna get her into comfortable clothes. She's beating her own shadow. It's 10:50 and she is still awake. But I'm gonna go to bed myself. So, yep, that's the end, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, leave your comments below, and request videos. Bye.